Yeah, I told y'all I'd come back with another video, but y'all didn't understand what I was putting down. Like I tried to tell y'all, I'm coming
all week long. Yeah, I just wanna go somewhere I can get my party on.
But for real, but I tried to tell y'all, but if you new, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I can tell from the back. Got a new part. I got my Wicker bill. Finna put the Wicker bill on. I don't know how to put it on. Cause when I got it, you know, it came with another spoiler. I already have a spoiler on the back, but this one glossy. I guess so. I guess we're gonna remove this spoiler and put the new spoiler on, plus with the Wicker bill. And I'm finna bring y'all with me while I struggle, cause I don't know what I'm doing. My first time. Oh well. I'ma hit y'all back once we get settled. They don't gotta see the whole process, but they understand. Y'all know what the fuck going on. And what I did wrist color. Y'all need some lube and some goddamn booty juice. You'll be alright. It'll loosen it up. Alright, gotta rip that bitch up.
I'm saying it ain't no glue. You unscrewed everything? That's why I say it gotta be a screw right here. No, there's 2 screws right here. You already got them first thing.
Yeah, them first 2 right here.
Yeah. Look at the back of that and copy how many screws you took off. Yeah, definitely a screw right here. It's a screw right here with the button in.
So one more.
Yeah. And one last screw right here.
One more.
Cut it back off?
No, they can just watch it, man. One more. I missed the screw. You got no watch on it. You think you?
Ain't no one. I was finna say shit, at least we just snatched it, because now we know the pin. The harder we pull, the more the thing should fall. We just putting the harness to the thing part. Hey, Bunty, when y'all grab the middle? You right here. See? Yeah. Pull your middle, man. You got anything like that, bitch? I really want you to do all the work. I ain't want to say. You ain't want to break your shit.
Yeah, but screw that.
I really ain't want to pull that hard.
Still screwing that bitch.
Yeah, it's still a screw in
it. Still screwing that bitch.
He just ripped that bitch up.
No, clip.
No clip, yeah.
Yeah, they ain't had no washers. They ain't had no washers though. Oh, they were just ripping. Yeah, look at this shit, man. Finna get in my pocket, man. He been put on the hill camera. Nah, there go.
Bro, you had like, how many screws you have in that bitch, bro? You had one. It's new.
Huh?
You had 2 more screws you didn't take out of that?
No, these, they just wash it, so they had the like protectors on there. They ain't had none of them. What are we talking about now, Chad?
Somebody got hold that while you screwed in on it.
I think so.
You took the tape out of it, right?
That was coming up anyway.
You gonna put it back down,
I won't get these dead anyway. These gotta be glossy.
Gloss black?
Yeah.
Can be a glossy car?
Yes.
Are you glossy on it?
Yes, sir.
Glossy on you?
Gotta be glossy.
Then you got this part.
That's on the part?
They go in the middle.
They go in the middle, bro.
I'm true.
I don't think I want that.
You might.
Yeah, I want to see how it look first. Like,
this is a kill one.
Yeah, I don't like
Maybe I'm looking.
This is another part of it.
yeah, the dark part's in there.
So I said it came with a whole other wing. This is the other part.
Why they made this part good?
I tried to find one that's tinted, but I couldn't find it. Oh, that was tinted. Yeah, this black. This tinted.
He want black on black. I know clear. Clear black and black. Yeah.
Them boy got Batmobiles.
Get back my way up, huh?
Hey, bro. They showing the goddamn gun, bro. They showing the gun.
Oh, I did.
I gotta sort these bolts out.
That's not good.
Yeah. See that?
Alright, bro.
Where you at?
Two different bolts, nigga. Two different bolts, nigga.
Nigga
Make sure
hold
y'all
the
do
phone
that.
like an old person. Nigga hate elbow all like this. What you holding? So I can help. Hey bro, keep don't even mention my name, bro. I hate when people say
I
that.
don't know the difference between goddamn the different type of bolts. You got two side bolts that's short, so I guess they go for the shorts for the ends.
She said you talking about.
Gotta screw these two end bolts in, chat. Line up right.
You must got too much over there.
Yeah.
Huh?
You got it.
Don't try that one all the way too. Y'all both. Hey, your screw catching on over there? You probably need a small one. These screws. Put the one that came out. Yeah, what the one that came with? These screws too small. Yeah. You the one that came with? No, I'm talking about they was already on it. They was already on the other one. They came with this. It was on the other one. Yeah. So what? I go on. Also, what the new ones that came with this then? Yeah.
Go put the new ones on.
Yeah. These too small. Hey, come open it. To the hole in the wall. You don't know about that, young ass nigga. He didn't give me one on. Hey, give me the other one, D. He only got one. I got the old. Corn dog here, though. I'll choke shot, I'll make you choke. It's a big difference.
What?
No, she said.
No little rope.
Hey, tell the tip back. When she take back, in 1 second, then she need to test back in 0.5 seconds. That's how the game go around here. You gotta keep your holes under contact, bro.
He's in my cut.
I don't care who it is. We already took one. We did already took one. How I don't count? Y'all gotta have me fighting alligator downtown. Hey, this bitch don't line up, bro. You might got too much on your side.
You don't have to hold, dog.
Almost. Yeah, we ain't lined up over here, boss. So if I get a slow, check. We ain't lined up.
I see your chat.
I got to the point. Let me put the flashlight up, bro. They call me cameraman.
Come on, boy. No, that don't count,
I got back, caught the phone back right away there, bro.
He ain't got no pool. he don't cut any test on that. He ain't got no pool. He thought, let me call her back. She on top of the dryer, bro. You don't line up with that small stuff, bro.
I feel the phone.
No, I don't see it. Okay, do that.
She on top of the dryer.
Got you.
She on top of the dryer, bro.
Got you. Marble. I got you.
Oh yeah. Okay. Once you put the middle piece on, it gonna suck in the hood and make the hood. I can't explain, but
I know what you're talking about.
You gotta go in order. Whatever side you start on, you keep going over and over. He's already lined up. Just go from that end to this end.
Oh, there with these bolts. Okay.
You know, you see on the video, you sagging in the video, just know. When you get down recording video, you just get fucked.
No, you gotta do that last. So when you put the middle in, the trunk don't sink in.
So how the washer should go?
I don't know.
What you doing there, bitch? Give it out with the hair, cut that man in the circle.
They going through the hood. Through the hood to the bank.
Oh, okay.
You ain't know that was the hood?
No, bro.
Oh, you know that was the trunk?
No, I just took it out.
Right now. Oh, I'm lining up, right? About like 9:30. Yeah. Wait, how you took them out?
You know, that one already had like shoes coming from the bottom. I bet you just took off this washer.
Oh,
Yeah, it was just going in. The wash gonna be full.
and you can't do that in my mama.
Yeah, but that's how they was. They was already.
Oh, go ahead.
But they did from the inside.
I said that.
Yeah, they were gonna come in.
Take the other one out, slide over just a tad bit more.
This one was in.
So that was straight.
Oh.
What?
Put it over to him.
I'm still the key. Still the key.
Who a key?
Keep running.
Say who?
Tell you something, Chad. This shit don't come by tonight, nigga. This shit overnight, fuck, boy.
They got a battery?
I'm like it, fuck now.
Let me see that.
Man, this shit right here years, nigga. Not overnight shit right here years, nigga.
You right here?
Oh, you missing something,
Shit on
I mean, missing something, bro.
Come on.
You missing my whole thing right there, but you tripping.
That one man him. What?
We trying to tell y'all, bro. Some of my homeboy a little off and premature, bro. I be trying to tell they ass, bro. They a little off. Oh, God.
The how old you up?
My shit hard.
Hey, bring it back, bro. Come on, about 2-3 years with the VC, nigga. Now I got a scat, nigga. 2025. They got the lot, nigga. 25, ain't it?
Hell no.
See, alright, we're 24.
21.
2020. Hey, bro, leave that shit I just said then, bro.
Well, you got the boats in here?
They tell Kobe that nigga on about that folder, bro.
That big one? Oh, shit.
Yeah, ain't gonna go nowhere.
It's
not on the trunk, though.
On the foot.
It's not flush at all. Not even the middle part. They got on. That's why I said the middle parts ain't tight for real. But if it was flush, the trunk would have get it in. This bitch was lined up once the trunk get in.
Hey, the boss might know something.
You said what, baby?
You might know something.
You heard? That's why we need a drill. The drill gonna get that bitch all the way in. So you should have went to my house with him. You would have been overly prepared. You came to the reject mechanic house.
And just when the fuck my goddamn boy out there on the car, bro. I walk out the goddamn house, but the truck popping over that bitch, nigga.
Who did that?
No shit, man. Got some mirror, nigga. Pop the house, but they got a truck over the nigga.
The truck over. First has a look. You dropped it? Man, shit out, bitch. I know you ain't dropped the screw down there. Man, you dropped the screw down there?
It's over.
Come on, bro.
Got a fat. Hold on. What screw you dropped? No, that's it. Ain't going to hold it. They going both in the screw.
He probably ain't going
Somebody right here.
Oh. Gotta go back here.
It fit.
Got a problem, chat. There's always a problem with this shit. It don't always be 100%. Always got a little problem to this shit. The damn boats ain't lining up right. So we gotta do a little nigga rig. You know what I'm saying? What's up, boy? Alright, you ready to float that bitch?
Let's go the fuck together. Hold on.
Shit.
I want to do it for a long time,
Where
but
them boats in?
What are you doing?
Right there. Down the corner.
I want to do shit for a long time.
What are you doing?
Finally can do it. But that fuck
What are you doing?
Open that door so I can hear.
Man, it's totally killing me, bro. Do I try the whole time, did you?
Huh? Yeah.
Do I try the whole time, bro?
What you said?
Yeah, wait. Try the middle one. Move toward the house. Where you moving to? You want? He said, is it moving?
Shit, the car moving.
He said, car move. He ain't move.
You talking about lift it up? No.
He said, he talking about lift it up. He said, he didn't line up no more. What you doing right now, bro?
I'm lifting the back of the wing up.
He said, lift the back of the wing up. Yeah, good. That shit hurt.
Come on, hurry up.
Yeah, hurry up.
Got him in the trunk, bro. It'll be alright. Ain't long enough.
He said, can't be right screw. He said, is it long enough?
I don't think it's long enough.
He don't think it's long enough.
Well, I say I ain't worried about the middle boat.
They everybody middle boat. They put
Yeah,
it in.
that's why I ain't trying to put it in.
One of them ain't even happening a lot. He say he feel it, big daddy. He feel it. What? Is it? I don't think they have a boat for them. I thought the middle don't get clamped down, bro. What? Ain't the middle boat the one right there?
Yeah, don't already have middle boat.
So it's can't get that one out.
Yeah, no, it's from the inside.
Better break that bitch in half. It's over the trunk, bro.
Oh, my bad.
I thought we were putting the middle one in.
No, you read that off in the truck. Get up.
That bitch is a placement for real, for like a placement, like keep it steady. It keep it steady.
Look,
So it won't move.
you only got no wedges on it.
So basically, it keep it steady.
It's just in there.
Oh. I ain't no way.
That's why I won't worry about it.
I want shit going in.
Yeah, it just keep it steady, bro.
So what's the clips on there?
What?
The white clip?
Yeah, these the one we can pull out. But since we screwed them in, you don't need it.
Whole time, that bitch is a placement, bro.
So we just
keep it steady, D.
What?
The middle one to keep it steady.
Yeah, it ain't good.
It don't need to be one of them.
We already did it.
The other end?
Keep it steady.
Yeah,
Ain't no boat.
ain't no wedges on it. It's smooth.
Who phone I got?
Juju.
Oh. Figure out who phone you got.
That dangerous take off. That dangerous phone. Like that.
You really look, they can drop like a friend. That's high.
We got that bitch at. I'm gonna cut y'all off. Y'all niggas on 12.
At a bonfire, ain't 35%.
Shut your bitch ass
We on
up.
12.
On 12.
Can't you read the percent?
Slow ass.
They say you so surprised to hear 12, nigga. I got 12 inches to put in.
I said, that's how I looked at it was at 35. That shit like down.
Damn, like. In the phone, so don't even read that phone.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. I ain't sure on that motherfucker. Ain't true. Shit.
You need to get raw all day for a word. I got insurance on them.
No fuck, nigga. I'm gonna go right there, give me new one for free.
I need no help.
I gotta go do it. I know your phone premature and shit, bro. Why you inside? I got it.
Take me through there. Take me through there.
That's one of the big, you know. I said it all night, bro. Or Matilda, Malia.
There, just got my whole name.
Hello. That is it, bro.
Fuck is that?
Double O, put the bar, bro. Shut double R in.
Hello.
Double R.
Ooh, that bitch got some structure to it.
You think go hit struggling, bro. Somebody put this in there.
Cut the dick off.
Oh, yeah, they on night.
Told you, my until again.
Go ahead.
I ain't gonna be throwing this away.
I'm gonna leave it point to you or not.
You throwing this away.
Credit.
Credit who?
Hey, credit one.
Yeah, I know credit one. That's why you throw it away.
That bitch got some structure.
Do that one again.
Well, that be tight, man. When we hit the gas, it be on flour.
They say accept is pending.
Shut it, wait.
Oh, yeah.
Shut it, what? Shut it, your trial is
You need
pending.
the rest of these?
Yeah, I need these.
Big Z, nigga.
Bro, you damn say that.
No.
Don't get scared, huh? Line that motherfucker up. Hey, don't forget a pen, bro. If you get
I'm saying,
if
though.
you get approved.
I thought you were cheap.
Hey, bro, get my phone.
Show y'all how I look first. If I go in, this is how I look though. Yeah. Hit his car though. That nigga got an ass on the 9. Shit, chill, y'all. Got an ass on the 9. Shit, chill. No more mean. Anyway, y'all niggas enjoy it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Could take a thumbnail real quick. Take a thumbnail. And I gotta get this bit redid. Sideways. Oh shit. I'll talk y'all later cause y'all finna die. Y'all enjoy, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, cause this shit over with. Bucko.